What's up everybody, this is Mike, and in today's video I'll show you how to get your color grading game to the next level. Let's go! So as you can see, today's topic is color grading. Color grading is something that we all have to do when editing our videos, whether it's videos from our regular DSLR cameras or from our drones. Unfortunately, at least for me, this process is not the most pleasant, I would say. I don't really enjoy color grading my videos. I prefer to do something quicker, something easier to achieve that nice cinematic look that definitely helps your videos pop a bit more and just makes them a bit better looking. So I want to tell you about a product that has just been released a couple of days ago by Polarpro. If you're not familiar with Polarpro, they are mostly known for their drone accessories and mostly their ND filters for drones. They have made some nice filters for the Spark, for the Mavic Pro, for the Phantom 4 Pro, and basically those filters help you achieve some nice cinematic footage. But now they have come up with a new product called Electra, and what Electra is basically a color preset pack consisting of 12 different LUTs that allow you to easily color grade your footage, whether it's from your camera or from your drone. So that's something that is very exciting for me, as you have a huge variety of LUTs that you can choose from and you can achieve different types of look for your videos. It also allows you to apply some consistent look throughout your footage. So if you're shooting with different cameras, for example, if you have a GoPro footage, then you switch to your DSLR camera, and finally you have some drone footage, then this LUT pack allows you to achieve some consistent color throughout the different types of footage in your video. So in today's video, I want to see how the Electra pack is performing, what kind of difference it makes, and show you guys whether it's worth it or not. So let's go to the computer and I'll show you more about the Electra pack. Okay, so first of all, I would like to show you the different bundles that you can choose from. So depending on what kind of drone you have or what kind of camera you have, you might want to pick different bundles. So we have a Mavic Pro edition, a Phantom 4 Pro or Advanced edition, a GoPro edition, just a regular Phantom 4. You have the Zenmuse X3 or Osmo. We have a C-Log color profile, S-Log 2, S-Log 3 or V-Log color profile. So if you're shooting on your DSLR on V-Log, for example, then you might want to get the V-Log color profile, as it will be the most helpful for you. Each of those costs $30, so it's up to you whether you think it's a good investment or not. But personally, I think if you're shooting a lot, then this will definitely help you out and allow you to spend less time editing and more time shooting. Personally, I don't like editing that much, so shooting more and editing less is ideal for me. So let me show you how those LUTs perform in real life. I have prepared a couple of short clips here. Some of them are from my drone and some of them are from my camera. So they all have different colors. For example, this one has a lot of yellow, this one has a lot of purple and pink, this one has a lot of blue, and those drone videos here have a lot of green/blue in them. So hopefully with the use of the Electra LUTs, I will be able to achieve a consistent look throughout this short video that I've made. So first of all, if you want to load your LUTs in Final Cut Pro 10, you will need an additional plugin to use LUTs. I'm using this one. It's called MLUT by Motion VFX. It's a free plugin that just allows you to load LUTs in your project. So I will link it in the description for you to download. It's free, and it works very well, so I definitely recommend it. If you're using other software, for example, if you're using Adobe Premiere, you already have this built in, so you don't really need to download anything else. Or you can also use DaVinci Resolve for those LUTs. I also think you don't need anything else when using DaVinci Resolve. As for other type of software, I'm not really sure about the compatibility, but I'm definitely sure about those three: Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere, and DaVinci Resolve. So anyway, that being said, once you download that plugin, it will appear here as an effect. So you need to load your tab with effects by clicking here. And you will see the MLUT sign here. So you will see the MLUT plugin, the MLUT effect actually, that you can drag onto the clip that you want to load the LUT to. So it's very easy. You just need to drag it over and paste it on top of the clip that you want to edit with LUTs. Now you have this box here called MLUT by Motion VFX, and now you can load your LUTs. So I'm going to demonstrate the LUTs with a single LUT. I've picked this one. It's called Deep Cool Mavic .cube. .cube is the extension for LUTs, so don't get confused by that. You simply need to load that LUT by clicking load, and you already see what kind of difference the LUT has made. Now, of course, this is far too intense, so I need to lower it, but let's just see how much of a difference a LUT makes to a video. Here is without the LUT, and here is with the LUT. Of course, it's at 100%, and we don't really want to leave it at 100 as it's far too intense for this specific clip, so I'll lower it to maybe 75. Yeah, I think it will look nice. Yeah, so let me show you how it is without and with the LUT. Definitely makes a lot of difference. Now we have reached the next clip, and we'll do the same. We'll just load the LUT on top of the clip, and we'll just select this again, Deep Cool Mavic. So this is far too saturated, a bit darker, so it doesn't really work perfect for that specific clip at 100%. But once you lower it to, let's say, 65, then it gets a whole lot different. And let's see. Yeah, I think I like the result. So let me just apply the same LUT to all of the clips here, and I'll get back to you. Okay, I have added all of the LUTs, all of the same LUTs to the clips that I'm using in this project. And even though you don't really have to do it manually, if you have 30 clips or so, and you don't want to go and do it individually to every single clip, you can just copy the settings from one clip and paste it to another clips by doing this and going edit and paste attributes, and just select the attribute that you want to paste, meaning the LUT, and it will be pasted. The same settings that you have from the clip that you have copied will be pasted to the rest of the clips that you have selected. So that makes it a lot easier, but personally I want to play with each and every clip separately, individually, just to make sure that the settings are fine. For example, this here has a 65% intensity, this clip has 80%, this one has 65 again, this one has 55, so you have to adjust them accordingly depending on the clip itself, as you don't want to get different saturation and different looks to your clips. It will just make it look bad. So this is what I have done, this is what I have achieved with the clips and with the same LUT called Deep Cool Mavic LUT. And I personally find it very, very useful, very easy to use, and of course it gives you the same consistency, the same color grading to each and every clip that you have selected. So I like that, and I personally think it saves you a lot of time. So depending on what kind of look you're going for in your footage, you can of course select different LUTs. As you can see, we have 12 different LUTs just for that pack for the Mavic Pro. Of course, if you select a different bundle, you have 12 more, so you have plenty of LUTs to play with. You have, of course, you don't really need to just adjust the intensity by using the slider here. You can play with the highlights, you can play with the midtones, the shadows, the contrast, and everything else as much as you want, and you can spend a lot of time doing that if you want to. For the purpose of this video, I just wanted to show you how quickly it is to load the LUT and, you know, apply it to different clips and see the result right away. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this quick little tutorial about the Electra LUTs from Polarpro. I personally think it's a huge time saver, and especially if it gives you that consistent look throughout the videos that you have made, then it's definitely worth it, at least for me. So check out the website of the LUTs. I will link it in the description as well. And if you want to buy those, feel free to do so. Hopefully you will like them as much as I do, and hopefully you find this video useful. And there you have it. Those are the Electra LUTs from Polarpro. I hope you found them useful. I hope you like the LUTs, and hopefully they save you a lot of time when editing, so you can spend more time shooting and less time editing in front of your computer. I think that's something that we all enjoy, shooting more, editing less. So hopefully you will enjoy that video. And by the way guys, I'm doing a live Q&A session in 48 hours from this video going live. So in 2 days I will be making a live Q&A session on YouTube. I will be streaming live. So please leave all of your questions that you might have, whether they are personal questions, drone related questions, spark related questions, or color grading questions, or whatever else you might want to ask. Please feel free to do so in the comments below, or you can tweet me at Drone Supremacy on Twitter or on Instagram. Feel free to write all of your questions wherever you're most comfortable. Just write down your questions and I'll be sure to answer them as much as I can. And I also want to just try and do a live session with some of you guys who might be interested. Hopefully you will join and you will watch this live session. It will be something different that I've been wanting to do for quite a while now. So that's what I plan to do. In 48 hours, this is coming to YouTube live stream. So anyway, thank you so much for watching guys. Write down your questions. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Ciao.